Hi, my name is Michelle Doran, and I'm the fourth grade teacher here at Christ the King Catholic School. This is my 21st year in Catholic elementary education. I've taught first grade, fifth grade, and now fourth grade. This is my fourth year at Christ the King in fourth grade. This year, I have 21 students in my class. There's an instructional assistant that pushes into my classroom 4 days a week for about 30 minutes each time. And she is able to provide additional support to students in various ways. Each week, students attend Mass. Each day, students get religion instruction as well as math, English language arts, and either social studies or science instruction. Each week, fourth graders have PE 3 times, music twice, art once, and library once. My goal as the fourth grade teacher is to help develop the different aspects of students based on our school-age learning expectations. So first, developing students as spiritual people. We look at the 10 Commandments, the Beatitudes, and the corporal and spiritual works of mercy, and use those as guides to live lives of Christ. We also participate in service activities at both as a school and specific to fourth grade. I like to take fourth graders to the Oregon Food Bank a couple of times a year where we can spend the morning volunteering and students can see how just a couple hours of their time impacts others in need. I also work to develop students as lifelong learners, their academic side. So I work to help instill independence and responsibility in students as well as organizational skills. Students have nightly homework. They use a planner to help them track and complete homework, as well as a tool to manage their time so they can balance homework as well as extracurricular activities. So some highlights for curriculum in English language arts: we read both fiction and nonfiction texts. We respond to them in different ways. We look at author's purpose, both from a reading standpoint and as a writer. Why are we writing whatever writing piece we are working on? In social studies, we focus on Oregon State history and the Oregon Trail. And then finally in science, we look at formation of the earth. We look at processes in different living things. We look at waves, we look at energy. We do hands-on activities and experiments so students can engage in their learning more easily. I also help to develop students as people of integrity. We learn about empathy and how we can develop empathy for others, how we can manage our emotions, and finally, how we can be problem solvers to help us work effectively in a classroom setting with many students or in a small group or partners, as well as outside at recess. Some things that fourth graders look forward to when they are in this grade. Besides going to the Oregon Food Bank and volunteering, there is an Oregon Trail field trip experience, whether that is an overnight where we go to a camp and students have different activities that they participate in throughout the course of 2 days to learn firsthand what life was like as a pioneer, or if that's just a day experience where students engage in those same type of activities. Students also help to create a fourth grade arcade as part of our engineering design aspects of science. Students think of an arcade game, they design it, they build it, and then students from other classes can come in and enjoy playing all the different games that students have created. So that gives you a quick overview of what fourth grade looks like at Christ the King. Thank you for your time.